Welcome to Achieve Your Dreams TV, exploring the fascinating realm of emotions, relationships, and human connection is what we're all about. From the depths of romantic experiences to the intricacies of attraction, we're here to present you with captivating insights in an engaging and comprehensible manner, unveiling the unseen, the science of love. Let's delve into an intriguing topic, a rare condition known as hypopituitarism, which can render some individuals incapable of experiencing romantic love. This extraordinary ailment prevents them from feeling the profound ecstasy of love that most of us cherish. The allure of honesty, love's preferred virtues. When it comes to matters of the heart, honesty, trustworthiness, and loyalty play pivotal roles. Research has shown that these qualities hold immense appeal for women seeking a partner. These traits create a foundation of trust and emotional security, fostering a deep and meaningful connection. Love's sweet influence on taste. Remarkable findings from a research study shed light on how thoughts of love and jealousy impact our perception of taste. Participants who focused on thoughts of love found a specific type of food to be sweeter compared to those contemplating jealousy or neutral subjects. Love, it seems, has the power to heighten our sensory experiences. The language of attraction. Unconscious signals. Ever noticed a woman elegantly flipping her hair when she's interested in someone? This subtle gesture not only enhances her allure, but is often an unconscious signal of attraction. Exploring these nonverbal cues brings us closer to understanding the intricate dance of human interactions. Love's influence on productivity and resilience. Love isn't just confined to the realm of emotions. It transcends into our work lives too. The profound positivity of love has been shown to enhance productivity and perseverance. It bolsters mental strength and tenacity, leading to a more focused and dedicated approach to tasks. The enigma of unattainable attraction. Interestingly, we're often drawn to those who are beyond our reach. The heart's mysterious ways make us more susceptible to attraction towards individuals with whom a romantic connection might seem unlikely. The complexities of human desire are indeed captivating. The timeline of heartache. Letting go. Have you ever wondered how long it takes to move on from a deep love? On average, it takes approximately 15 months and 27 days to heal from a love that once consumed us. Understanding this timeline sheds light on the resilience of the human spirit. The power of physical touch. Oxytocin's influence. Physical touch is an incredible communicator of emotions. Holding hands or sharing a hug has the potential to release oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone. This chemical cascade can intensify feelings of attraction and connection, deepening the bonds we share. Thank you for joining us. We're grateful for your presence on Achieve Your Dreams TV as we explore the intricate tapestry of love, attraction, and human relationships. By simplifying complex ideas, we hope to make these insights accessible and engaging, empowering you to navigate the fascinating terrain of emotions. Remember, knowledge is a pathway to growth, and we're excited to continue this journey with you.